Hello everybody! Today I'm going to work on amazing hat that as easy as it gets. For work I am using two kinds of yarn and two sizes of crochet hooks. I took thinner hook and start to crochet hat from the foundation chain. My foundation chain equal of hat circumference. In my case, foundation chain should be multiple straight chains. My foundation chain is ready. My foundation chain multiple straight chains. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The round is ready. Then I'm going to work with the brim part of the hat. So let's crochet the brim. You should crochet a little bit loosely. So let's crochet the first round of the brim part. It is going to be a round of double crochet, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn over the hook, and double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. It is very easy to make. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. My first round is almost ready. So to finish this round, work with the slip stitch into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Then I'm going to work with the rib part. It is going to be rib 2 by 1. Make back post, single crochet, chain 2 to bring up the yarn, and work with the front post, double crochet, then front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet, 2 front post double crochet in row 1, 2, so continue working in this way till the end of this round. I complete round 2. Work with a slip stitch into the second chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. Make back post single crochet, chain 2 to bring up the yarn, make front post around the front post and back post around the back post double crochet. I remind you I am working on the brim part of the hat. 2 front post double crochet. So you should crochet as many rounds as you need. How many rounds you decided by yourself in the brim part. So my brim is ready. It consists of 2 front post and 1 back post double crochet. The height of the brim you determine by yourself. Now I show you how to crochet the main part of the hat. Now I am working with two kinds of yarn. So for this I removed the last slip stitch. Now join new kind of yarn. Now change the hook to the bigger hook. This crochet hook is 7 millimeters, so I crochet in the same way as I showed you before. I am beginning from the back post single crochet, chain 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook. Now I am working with 2 stitches of the previous round. Insert the hook around the 2 stitches from the front to the back. Make front post double crochet. Then back post double crochet. Then work with 2 stitches, make front post double crochet around the 2 front posts and make back post double crochet around the back post double crochet. Let's complete this round together. Work with a slip stitch into the second chain. Work with a slip stitch into the second chain stitch in the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. Now I show you how to crochet round 2 of the main pattern. Make back post single crochet, chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Then you should crochet 1 by 1 rib. Make front post double crochet. Then you should crochet the swatch as many times as you need. Then I show you how to complete my head. So my main pattern is ready. I remind you that in each step you should try it on your head. Let's measure my swatch. The height is 17 centimeters. And now I show you how to crochet the crown. So let's begin. Let's crochet round 1 of the crown. Make back post single crochet, then chain to bring up the yarn. Make front post double crochet. I skip the next stitch and make front post double crochet around the second stitch. I skip the back post and work with the front post double crochet of the previous round. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Round 1 is almost ready. I skip chain stitch that I did at the beginning and work with the stitch. This is the first stitch. Make a slip stitch. Round 1 is ready. Let's crochet round 2 of the crown. Make front post single crochet, then chain to bring up the yarn. Make front post double crochet, then front post double crochet 2 together. Make the first one, make the second one, and pull through. Make front post double crochet 2 together. 1, 2, and pull through. Continue. Let's finish this round together. I make the last stitch, make front post double crochet, make a slip stitch into the first stitch of this round. It was round 2. Let's crochet round 3. Then I'm going to work with round 3. It will be the last round of the crown. Insert the hook around the 2 stitches. Make front post single crochet, chain, and front post double crochet. Make front post double crochet 2 together. Make the first one, make the second one, and pull through. Let's repeat. Make front post, not finish, make the second one, not finish, and pull through. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm finishing round 3. This is the last round. I did front post double crochet. Insert the hook into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. The round is ready. I need to cut off my yarn, leave long piece of yarn and sew this small hole. And now I show you how to make this. Work with sewing needle and yarn. With the needle go through the stitches like this. Work in round. Sew this small hole. I pull a little bit. Then you can sew one more round. Then you should remove the yarn along the stitches and then cut off. That's it. So my hat is ready. Here how it looks. This is the crown of the hat. It is very warm and comfortable. So I think it's perfect for warm season. You can wear it in this way, or you can turn to the back side or reverse side and wear it like this. So this is double-sided hat. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. The size of the hat is 52 to 60 centimeters of head circumference, so it is very stretchy. Follow me. Thank you so much for watching. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video tutorials. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video tutorials.